the time to share the valuable insight to us. Thank you and wish you all a fruitful and successful development.
Engineering study from automobile, aerospace, normal manufacturing. The conventional method is surfaced with digital processes. IoT has settled, digitization has settled, automation has settled. Combining all these things, manufacturing has taken a new leap forward. Now this faculty development program is to apprise the audience and participants about the modern digitization technique in manufacturing processes. I welcome the esteemed first speaker. So thank you so much for joining.
Enhancing efficiency and innovation. Now this particular title is very appropriate. It is appropriate in the sense, like if you see the history of this particular digital transformation, it started in the year around 1949-50. Now US Air Force